In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make Facebook posts with backgrounds. Now let's get started right away. Now what you want to do is you just want to open up Facebook, and then right here at the top you see what's on your mind. Now you want to just click on that, and then right here type in something you want to post, and immediately these backgrounds will show up. Now you have to update your Facebook app to the latest version, of course, or else it won't work. But you can just select any background you want. So let's say I would select this one, and then just type in hello, how are you guys, for example. Now I believe, but I'm not fully sure, that these backgrounds have a character limit of 130 characters. But I'm not fully sure. Maybe if I just keep typing, and then, because after that the background will disappear, I think, but I'm not fully sure. But let's see what will happen if I keep putting in these characters. Yeah, as you can see, once you type like I think more than 130 characters, then the background will disappear. So keep that in mind, that you can just write or type in full stories of something. So I'm just going to delete all this, and then it will just go back to the background, and then I can just click on post. And as you can see right there, I have now posted a Facebook post with a background. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.